So, as I've said before, I am currently a classroom teacher, but I do not use curriculum integration purposefully at this point in my career. I do know a little bit about curriculum integration. From my perspective, I see it as a way to integrate different content areas and apply it in one content area so that it is useful in all subjects and you can see how it's used in all the subject areas. In my opinion, it is not something that is talked about a lot at the high school level. I feel like it's kind of just pushed under the rug where I'm at. And I don't know that it should be, because it is important. But as I was trying to figure out an answer to this question, I was thinking, and I have 5 classes. I have Algebra 1 classes, 3 of them, and 2 Algebra 2 classes. In my Algebra 2 classes, I have anywhere from 10th grade to 12th graders. And they're not all taking the same classes at the same time. In Algebra 1, I have anywhere from 9th to 11th graders. And again, they are not all taking the same classes at the same time. So, the older these kids get, the harder it is to integrate the different curriculums because it gets so much more, there's so much more variety the older they get. And not saying that it's easy to do at the elementary level, but at the elementary and middle school level, most of them are taking the same classes or very, very similar classes. The school that I was working at the beginning of the year, they had this strategy, a reading strategy called Cups. And it was a way for them to break down the different word problems or reading questions before they answered them, kind of like annotating it. And they did this from 4th grade to 12th grade, school-wide. In every content area, all the teachers had a poster of it hanging on their wall. And by the time the students had done it one year, they were fluent in it the next year because they were using it in every class, and they had so much practice with it that it was helping them being able to pick out the important information. Now, this is not exactly curriculum integration, but it is a way to do it at the higher level. That way they are still getting those English language arts skills in all of their subject areas, because that's important in every area, but sometimes it's not looked at in every area. So in my opinion, I think that it's hard to do curriculum integration at the high school level because of the variety of classes that all of the students are taking, but I do try to plan my lessons to integrate different things from other classes that I know these students have taken, or different real world experiences that I know they've had.